What's up guys, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, look how I'm dressed, dude. I'm in fancy dress today. Look at my jeans and get. You know why? It's midnight. It's midnight and I'm here to do a video vlog. Today I'm gonna show you my cat. She's called Flora. Let's look at her, dude. Let's go! Alright guys, as you can see, they're there. 3 of them. Hi. Hi, Mimi. Say hello to your camera. Good girl. What about you, Flora? Flora? Alright, come on. Don't be scared. She's always so scared of me, dude. Come on, go to the camera. Say hello. She doesn't want to talk today. She's so mean. Alright, let's get the hell out of here, dude. Look at them. They're so cute. Hold up. Alright, guys. Oh, shoot. Alright, guys. This was a short video. Because the title was, I was just gonna show you the cats, right? But if you thought they were cute, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll do a part 2, just I'll dress them and I'll put them to dance. That'll be pretty dope. But thanks for watching and peace out.